After a day like today, there's really only one thing you can do.
The bad radiologists.
Wait, let me get in on this. Let's also have a toast to Mr. Foster's widow and his fatherless kids.
Dr. Cox, it wasn't our fault.
No, because you were lucky. You know as well as I do, it could have been any one of your faults. Congrats again. Have a swell party.
It's never easy when someone accuses you of screwing up, especially when you know it's true. When that happens, you can't shrug it off, because in a hospital, the best way to learn from your mistakes is to carry them with you.